Hi friends, let us study the basic concepts of trigonometry, that is trigonometry. Tri means three, gono means side, and metric means measurement. So it is relation between the side and angle of a triangle. Tri means three, so three, triangle. So this is our GeoGebra basic view, and as you see, I can take a point here, and this is our standard view. I will take here a point at the location origin, one another point here. I will rename this point by clicking here, and I will change the name of the point, that is P. Here if I press enter key or click on another, I can get the point location, that is P. Another point I will take here, standard 1 unit, so B point. I will draw a circle passing through center, that is A, and passing through B. So click on the circle tool, circle with center through the point. Click on the center first and then B. This will draw circle passing through the point. I will join the segments AP. So click on segment tool and select point A, point B. I can move this point by making the line short one. Okay. I can find the angle between two sides, that is B, A and P. So click on angle tool, click on angle and select the 3 points B, A and P. You get this angle as 69.2. I can move this angle. You can see if I move the point P, angle changes. I will make this point as 60, and I will draw a straight perpendicular line passing through B. Select the perpendicular line, that is x-axis, and passing through point P. So this is my line. So now this angle is 60.18 alpha. I will make the change this angle, name of the angle as theta. So here I can select this and change the name alpha as theta. So you can see this change here, theta. Now as you know, a triangle which is BAP, this triangle, if I see the trigonometry of this triangle, you can see sine theta and cosine theta. So I will write here, find the sine of the angle. So for that I will write function sine. In the bracket I will write angle as theta. You can see the answer, 0.87. Now I can check with the calculator, so I will click here. You can see the calculator, and just here trigonometric scientific calculator you can take, and you will write here angle 60.18. So I will write angle 60.18 and find the sine of the angle. You can see 0.8675. So 7 by rounding it becomes 0.87. So you can see here angle is 0.87. So this is sine of the angle. Now similarly I can find the cosine of the angle. I can give here any point j is equal to, and here I can give function cos, and in the bracket I can write down angle as theta. Raise the enter key. You can see here cos theta is 0.5. As you are aware, with cos 60 it's half, so 0.5. So no need to find it out with the calculator. So cos theta is half, 0.5. Again I can make the changes in the angle. I can see the sine and cos. If I join the lines PB, so I can get this triangle as 90 degree. Sorry, I have already done it. So if I change this angle, I will again I get the sine and cos changes. So I can get, okay, click on the move tool and click the point P position. You can get, if I make it 90. So here you can see theta is 90.52, cos theta is 0.01, so cos 90 is 0, and sin theta is 1. So in this way you can study the angles and the sine and cosine of the angle. So move the point and you will get the sine and cosine. You can see here 270, 30, 'so you get sine 30 as half, cos 30 as 1, around. So today this much. This is okay for basic trigonometry. Thank you. Hi friends, let us study the basic concepts of